Okay, text refer to unit above sentence, but it doesn't mean that the unit above sentence is limited only to a paragraph. Teks yang dimaksud di sini adalah satu satuan ya. For example, if I am giving you a lecture, it means that the text is the whole lecture that I give from the beginning to the end, not from part 1 saja, bukan dari part 2 saja. Ya, but at least it consists of one paragraph. Yeah, but the thing you have to remember is about the unity, because teks itu mestinya punya satu kepaduan. The idea it comes from a single or the same idea. Okay. The interesting part is that normally our memory is poor in structure, yeah, but accurate in content. Jadi naturally human mind ya itu is poor in structure, cenderung lebih lemah dalam strukturnya, tapi dia lebih structure of language ya maksudnya, tapi dia lebih akurat ketika diminta untuk menyampaikan tentang konteksnya. Seperti itu. Okay, now let's see. Sorry, text is not quite clear. Now please pause your video and read the text. The text is in the Scofields book in you can see the example in Scofields book, page 67. You will see that the text there, the text that is being used as example is text from such kind of storybook, so the words may be a little bit difficult, tapi itu potongan. Jadi when you read the text, it will be most likely that you will be confused. Jadi mungkin Anda akan bingung. Kenapa? Karena kosakatanya mungkin maybe about 30% of the words there is unfamiliar. Jadi agak sedikit susah untuk dimengerti. Nah, however, the result shows that it will be difficult, especially for non-native English, to understand that text. But it will be easier if you get a clue first. Jadi the experiment involve two kind of reading activity. The first reading activity is being given to the subject without the title, and then the second is the reading text is given to the subject with the title, complete with the title. Jadi the result shows that the time given to the subject in reading the text is more efficient when the subject is given the title of the text. Jadi ternyata waktunya lebih efisien ketika diberikan judul, atau waktu membacanya untuk memahaminya itu lebih pendek daripada ketika tidak dikasih judul. It means that comprehension in text in larger unit of language is easier in a top-down process. Jadi kita punya gambaran dulu, baru kemudian kita membaca dan memahami apa yang ada di situ. Itu prosesnya top-down. Bukan kita kemudian mencari kata per kata, hafal, lalu kemudian baru kita paham. It's not like that. Jadi lebih mudah kalau text in larger unit is given in top-down process. And the next is that text is presented with context is easier and faster to understand. Maksudnya apa? Maksudnya adalah yang pertama, the first point ya, comprehension text ini lebih mudah ketika diberikan dengan dilengkapi dengan proses dengan clue dulu. Jadi seperti itu. Jadi ketika kita membaca itu akan lebih mudah mengerti ketika kita tahu ini bacanya tentang apa sih, seperti itu. Ya. Yang kedua adalah ketika kita membaca sesuatu akan lebih mudah ketika kita juga mengetahui the context of the text. Ya. Okay, I think that's all for this meeting. I'll see you in the next meeting. We will discuss about a little bit more complex subject about language loss. Okay, don't forget, if you have any questions, please upload it in the forum discussion forum that I give you below this video. Okay, thank you. Hope you are well. Stay home, stay healthy, pray more. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.